Hello everyone, welcome back to Gruhinis World. Most of the kids don't like to eat green leafy dal or pappu. But if we make dal or pappu this way, kids will not even notice any leaves in the dal. At the same time, we all get benefits of these fiber-rich leafy vegetables. So let's get started. Friends, try to include leafy vegetables at least twice in a week, and also try making leafy dal or pappu this way so you'll never get any complaints from kids. Do try this recipe and don't forget to like and share it with your family and friends. Thank you. Bye.